Top 10 free language learning apps you need in 2023. 1. Duolingo, best for busy learners, useful for more than 20 languages. 2. Beelinguapp, best for reading skills, includes 13 languages. 3. Memrise, best for word association, for over 200 languages. 4. Busuu, best for community support, helps with 12 languages. 5. 50 languages, best for beginners, for version 50 languages. 6. Mondly, best for innovative features, includes 33 languages. 7. Innovative language, best all-in-one app, with over 30 languages. 8. Drops, best for building vocabulary, for over 45 languages. 9. LingQ, best for audio learners, includes 42 languages. 10. Tandem, best for obscure languages, useful for over 300 languages. Check the article in the description for more information about the apps. Share if you like.